Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Anybody attending a what yesterday class? That is the first class in a regular session side. What I am telling, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users are first connect to where client tool. Through this client tool only, they are connect to the where Oracle database because that is a client server architecture. One of the default tool is SQL plus tool. Up to that one we are discussing only, and also navigation also already we are telling only. And now observe it here, concentrate. Up to this one you have an idea or not? Anybody not having missed that video classes, you have to observe it enough. Now check it out, screen observe it. Concentrate here. Today very important. Suppose start. Once you are installing a Oracle software, tomorrow maybe you are installing. Today we are completing settings, all the things. And now observe it here. Oracle, okay na? Yes, SQL plus tool. Suppose, for example, your imagination. Already you are installing a Oracle software. This SQL plus tool already there. Okay, for example, in your system. Now, what is the default username? If any employee wants to connect to Oracle database, otherwise anybody also wants to connect to Oracle database, then user credentials are required. In every database also default username and default password is there. Oracle also default username is there. What is the default username? Suppose MySQL means root is there, no, like that. Okay, yeah. Enter username. What is the default username? Anybody guess it? What is the default username Oracle provided for connecting to Oracle database? Default. Very good. One fellow is telling Murli, sir, Scott is a default username. And password is what? Password is what? Tiger. They're telling only. This is absolutely wrong one. Absolutely wrong one. Scott is not a default username. But unfortunately, I'm agree. Scott is a most popular user. That's why maybe so many fellows are in our class. They're telling about Scott only. Scott is an extra user. HR is an extra user. But Scott user, why popular means in a Scott user, predefined tables are available. EMP, DEPT, sal, grade, bonus, those type of predefined tables are available. Through those predefined tables, very easiest way we are learning about in a database also. That much of powerful. That's why maybe academic career side, so many fellows having idea Scott user. But unfortunately, there is not a default user. What is the default user means there is the extra user. Where that extra user, what is that one? Today you are understandable. Now observe here, what is the default username is what? System. Okay, na? Default username is system. And also password is installation time, whatever password you are giving that one. Now check it out. But unfortunately, olden days manager is there, but nowadays installation time given password. Now check it out. Observe it here. Yes, here username is system. Default username is system. And password is installation time given password. Okay, and then only that user is connected to the where Oracle database or not. Yes, here. But how you are understandable this Scott user, these all the things means some other knowledge is required. What is that one? Express edition, enterprise edition. Today you are understandable. In that enterprise edition only extra users are available. Scott, HR, those all the things I will tell you. But before we are going to start this one, now check it out. How I am given the guarantee, you are given the guarantee. Scott is not a default user. Means simple technique is there. Suppose you are also your friend also installing a what? Oracle software. You are downloading from the net, your friend is okay getting about that software from their friend only, okay, any reason, okay, just observe here, different source. Now but in your system you are try to enter our default username Scott working in your friend system. So now default username Scott is not working. That's why some say software side Scott is not working, some software side working means there is not a default user. All the software side, Oracle software side, okay, it is working means there is a default user. But a system is working, anything you don't have an idea also. you are installing a simple Oracle software, then automatically systems of occasional user and sys users are working on it. There is no problem. What is that one? What is the differences? I will tell you today. Now here, write it. Username, system, manager. Sorry, password is manager. Write it. Installation time, given password. That is nowadays. Olden days. Manager only. Write it this one. Username, system, or sys is there. Dinesh, you are telling correct. Username, default username, this one. Okay, system. Here password is olden days 998. These are manager, but nowadays installation time given password. Okay, with a password also. Now check it out. Concentrate, concentrate. But how you are understandable? This is confusing. Some fellows are using HR user, some fellows are using Scott user, some fellows are using system user, some fellows are using sys user, some fellows are using their own users in outside also. Confusing only. But how you are understandable means simple technique is there. What is that one means? Every Oracle version also having a what? Some editions are there. Here editions. Enterprise edition. Okay, yeah, observe it here. Editions are available. Now check it out. Suppose in a next class side, you are trying to install a Oracle software means observe it here. Oracle software download. We are telling only in a future next class side. Don't worry. Once you are trying to download that software, what happened? Observe here. Observe here. This is a database option is there. Here screen observe it. Two editions are there in each and every version. 4 editions actually, but 2 editions outside available. Express edition, enterprise or standard edition is available or not? Yes, here. Oh, maybe these editions knowledge you have an idea. Then only in which edition Scott user is available, which edition that is not available, which all the edition side system user is common. These all the things you are understandable. Okay, yeah. Write it. Every Oracle version, first write it up to some stage. Okay. Every Oracle version having following editions. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. Every Oracle version having following editions. These are first one Express edition, second one Enterprise edition. In these two editions, by default username is system. In these two editions, by default username is system. And password is manager. Okay, now observe here what is these editions, how you are understandable. Means business side, I will tell you. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer. Okay, we in a next class side, you are installing enterprise edition. I am also installing enterprise edition. That is the main edition. Don't worry. Now here, but before that one, just observe it here. What is expression edition also better to know. In this okay enterprise edition, extra users are there. One of the extra user Okay, Scott only. Okay, yeah. Those are all the things I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. Now show user like this. Oh, maybe enterprise edition softwares you are downloading next only. Then extra users are available. In Express edition, extra users are not available. At least first observe it here. Now side heading Express edition. Fastly I will tell you. Now Express edition. What is Express edition means? Observe it here. Is not a main edition. In every database side also enterprise editions are main editions. Observe it here. Suppose I am a Java programmer. For example, I am a Java programmer in a company. I am working in a where JDBC project. For example, presently JDBC project. Whenever I'm working in a company, I'm working in a where JDBC projects means always in a JDBC concept side compulsory we are connect to the where database. Suppose client preferring a what Oracle database, for example. They're asking you to use a Oracle database. They're asking. Okay, fine. Backend Oracle database. But unfortunately, in a project side, before we are starting about this project, okay, here higher authority persons are there. Those persons contact to where Oracle Corporation. Okay, for original software purpose, this one. Pirated means that is where that is available. Don't worry. But original, okay, Oracle Corporation. Whenever okay, they are contacting a what higher authority persons in a where in a Java project side, in this project side, for purchasing a what the original softwares, their contact to where okay Oracle Corporation. But Oracle Corporation told that okay, so now yes, we have two softwares, two editions are there. Which edition do you want? One edition is what? Express edition. Another one is what? Enterprise edition is there in a Oracle database software side. Which edition do you want? They're asking. But unfortunately, in this case, 80% of the companies, I'm not giving the guarantee 100%, 80% of the companies are using a what here, Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end application side, Express edition only, they're ready to purchase. They never purchasing a what enterprise edition. Why? Because compared to where enterprise edition, Express edition cost is very low. Cost is very low. Cost is very important. First, cost is very low. Cost is very low. Very low compared to enterprise edition. Why cost is very low means here it does not support all Oracle features. It does not support. It does not support all Oracle features. Why we are using only in our project side? So many fellows are asking. It does not support all Oracle features also. Why we are using means all the features are not required in aware all the project side. For example, Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end developers are using stored procedures, joins, summary cursors, these type of things only they are using. Remaining all the things not required really. That's why here it does not support all Oracle features also, not a problem. Yes, the cost is considered in this case only front-end application development side. So now here, that's why so many front-end developers, 80% of the case company side, they are preferring a what? Express edition. And also Express edition only having one user sys or system. System is a user is available, Scott user, HR user, these type of users are not available. Again, yes, again, predefined tables are not available. EMP, DEPT, these tables are not available. Generally, which side they are using means always for developing a what? A client application side they are using. Suppose observe it here in a where in enterprise edition software side, recycle bin is a concept is there. Same like a Windows recycle bin. Practically, we are learning in a future. Don't worry. Now, these type of recycle bin, these features are not there in a where in Express edition. But what is this one? You don't have an idea. But Windows recycle bin, you have an idea? No? Yeah, that purpose only at least feature, because you have at least one feature also you don't have an idea. That's why I'm telling. Write it fastly. This theory, Express edition. Express edition, because business purpose only they are dividing a what in every database software side also. Business also important, no, not only technical side. And now here, yes, based on the requirement, they are purchasing a what those okay, son of your software only editions only. Write it Express edition. In Oracle, first I write it, so writing Express Edition. In Oracle, Express Edition does not support all Oracle features. In Oracle, Express Edition does not support all Oracle features. Example, recycle bin is not available in Express Edition. Example, recycle bin is not available in Express Edition. Okay, next para write it. Express Edition cost is very low. Express Edition cost is very low compared to Enterprise Edition. Express Edition cost is very low compared to Enterprise Edition. Express Edition does not have any predefined tables. Express Edition does not have any predefined tables. Express Edition only having one user system. Express Edition only having one user system. Express Edition only having one user system. Next para. Generally, Express Editions are used to connect. Generally, Express Editions are used to connect client applications. Generally, Express Editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. Generally, Express Editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. Generally, Express Editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. And now our editions only, because in our class side, I am also preferring Enterprise Edition. Okay, yeah. Write it, side heading, Enterprise Edition. And now observe it here. Actually, suppose I am working in a where company side, Oracle PLSQL developer, I am working. PLSQL side, I am working. Otherwise, I am working in a where Informatica tool. I am working in a where Oracle apps 11i. These type of pure database projects are there. 100% they are preferring what in a company side Enterprise Edition. Really, Enterprise Edition cost is very high compared to Express Edition because it supports all Oracle features. But unfortunately, learners, I am also, you are also interested to learn what subject through Enterprise Edition. Why means this is pirated available. Okay, so now your trial softwares available only. Okay, Oracle Corporation providing nowadays. And also in this software side, okay, not only features purpose, extra users are available. Extra users are available along with system user or sys user. Extra users, whatever extra users are there, that is Scott is a one popular extra user. Again, HR is a popular extra users are there. In these users, predefined tables also popular. Predefined tables are there. Suppose Scott user tables, EMP, DPT, sal, grade, bonus, these type of tables are very popular tables only. And now that purpose, a learners also interested to learn what Enterprise Edition through subject only. But unfortunately, company side, only pure database projects are there. Then only they are purchasing a what they are interested to purchase Enterprise Edition because Enterprise Edition cost is very high. Original software side, trial software means not a problem. Okay, yeah. Now write it because in a olden days trial software also Oracle does not provide it. That's why in a olden days programmer 9, 10G, 10G these type of so olden days programmers only installing a what Express editions. You are observing or not? your seniors or any technical persons having a good knowledge in a database, they have an idea, write it. But nowadays, all the things are pre-trial softwares are there, right? Enterprise edition, fast write it. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. Business side, okay. Enterprise edition supports all Oracle features. First, I write it. Enterprise edition cost is very high. Today settings I will tell you. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Enterprise edition cost is very high compared to Express edition. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. Enterprise edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. In Scott user, by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. In Scott user, by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. In Scott user, by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. We are changing passwords also, don't worry. Scott user also having following predefined table. Scott user also having following predefined tables. Scott user also having following predefined tables. These are first one EMP, second one DEPT, third one sal grade, fourth one bonus. Scott user also having following predefined tables. These are first one EMP, second one DEPT, third one sal grade, fourth one bonus. Okay. And now why I'm telling you what these all the things means, the reason is there. Actually, SQL plus tool, yesterday we are starting, yeah, connect a step process through. This SQL plus tool is an environment problem. Environment is problem, okay, actually in SQL plus tool side. But through these tables, easily understandable what are the problems are there, how you are rectifying those problems. That's why before installation, better to know these problems only. Then only once you are installing a what Oracle software or SQL plus tool you are opening means you never facing any problem. Okay, yeah. That's why I'm telling you what these additions, those are all the things not necessary also. Okay, yeah. Now observe here. Suppose this enterprise edition I'm loading. I want to view which user is connected to server me show space user SQL plus tool command semicolon. User is Scott, it will display or not. I want to clear the screen means CL space SCR. Yes, clear screen like this. I want to clear screen means CL space SCR. Okay, semicolon. Press enter key. Write it this one. To view current user in SQL plus 2 side. First I write it. Today's settings I will tell. To view current user, syntax write it. Go to SQL prompt, show space user semicolon. Show space user semicolon. Okay, example also write it fast. Your statement ends with semicolon. Some commands SQL plus tool commands. Okay, now show space user semicolon means user is it will display line. Next, to clear screen. To clear screen means go to SQL prompt CL space SCR semicolon. To clear screen means go to SQL prompt CL space SCR semicolon. Okay. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Why I'm telling this one means 1 minute observe here. Suppose I'm opening a what this one. Here, my name is Murali. Okay. For example, in a future, you are also creating our own users. Don't worry. In this Murali user, I'm creating a table today. This is enterprise edition. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. I'm creating a table. Create a table. Now table name. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Anything. I'm creating a table. Now here, whenever I'm creating a table, this okay, 1 or 2 or 3 tables, I'm creating like this. In this occasion of here, yes, here morally user, observe it here. Suppose I want to view user means show space user, semicolon. In this morally user, which tables are available? All the tables I want to view means some select statement is there in SQL language in a feature. Select a star from tab is a synonym name we are using only. Observe here, select star from tab means A, B, C, D, E. Is the only one table is visible or not? Same like a Scott user also there, no? Yeah, default user. Okay, so explicit user in Aware Enterprise Edition. No? In that Scott user, which tables are available, I want to view means just observe it here, select star from here tab. So what is tab means synonym that is later. Okay, just what? Sorry. From no spelling mistake. Now observe it here. Yes, observe it here. These are the predefined tables are available or not. Check it out. Okay, in our classes, so many tables I'm creating, but predefined tables. EMP, DUPT, sal grade, bonus, something is there or not? Yes, yeah. Through the tables today environment we are setting on. Write it. To view all tables of a particular user. Say it. Anybody attending today only means you have to ask management only those demo class videos. Okay, yeah. Write it. To view all tables of a particular user. Yesterday onwards, we are starting first class. Okay, yeah, don't worry. To view all tables of a particular user. Syntax. Go to SQL prompt, select star from tab, semicolon. Okay, na? Yeah. To view all tables of a particular user. Syntax, write it fast today. Select a star from tab, semicolon. What is tab is synonym name that is later. Okay, yeah. Just, oh, maybe some command. Okay, na? Yeah. Now example, write it. Complete this one. To view all tables of a particular user, syntax select star from tab. Now this one, write it example. Select star from tab semicolon. Here EMP, DUPT, sal grade, bonus. Okay, na? Now on what's important. Up to now, okay, just blindly I'm typing I want some commands only. Now observe it here. Suppose in a SQL language is there in a feature to view particular table means select star from table name semicolon is there. But that onwards, you are typing I want these tables in a SQL plus tool. What are the problems are there? Today I will tell you. Why? Because SQL plus tool is a problem actually. Now write it. Finished these four. Yeah. To view particular table. Management will send the what links and all this. Okay. Yeah. To view particular table. Syntax, write it. Go to SQL prompt. Select star from table name. To view particular table. Syntax, write it. Select star from table name. To view particular table. Syntax. Go to SQL prompt. Select star from table name. Okay, na? Now observe it here. But unfortunately, what is the problem is slowly observe it here. Suppose this is a SQL plus tool. Okay, fine. Here, what the user is there? Scott user is there. In a Scott user, big table is there, EMP, small table is there, DEPT. This small table DEPT details you have to display means there is no problem. Properly it will display it. Observe it here. Select, don't write it. Select star from DEPT. There is no problem. Small tables are displayed properly in a way. Oh, these are called columns. These are rows only. Easily understandable. Visibility more clear. But unfortunately, EMP is a little bit of big table Oracle Corporation providing only. But whenever we are trying to display big tables in SQL plus tool, then those tables are not visible properly. Why and what is that one? How we are setting environment? I will tell you. Suppose this is a big table is there. Okay, EMP table is there. For example, select star from EMP. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Semicolon, press enter key. Observe here, it does not display properly. You are observing or not? Why it is not displayed properly? Those all the things I will tell you. Write it. Example. Sorry. Do you particular table syntax all are writing? Select star from table name. And now semicolon. Okay. Now observe here. Concentrate here. Don't write it. Already writing. Yeah. Now check it out. 1 minute observe here. Suppose it does not display properly this table, big table. Why means in Oracle Corporation giving SQL plus tool, not another tools, SQL plus tool side, each and every line, this is a line only, each and every line having maximum 80 bytes, each character is a 1 byte actually. Maximum 80 bytes. Suppose your table in a row having a more than 80 bytes are there, then those next columns are right hand side, next columns are displayed in a next line. That's why gaps are generated. Suppose here, in this case, department number column is displayed in the next line. That's why gaps are generated. To overcome this problem, we are setting an environment. How we are setting an environment, I will tell you. First, observe it here. Show space all is a command is there. We are viewing a what here. 80 is there or not. Check it out. Here, line size is an environment variable is there or not. By default, each line having a what? A maximum 80 bytes. Each and every character is 1 byte in Oracle. Okay, 80 bytes. More than 80 bytes in a line is there, then those next columns are displayed in next line. So many times repeating. Then only, yes, automatically some spaces, gaps are displayed. I don't want like this. I want to display properly these big tables also. These big tables also in SQL plus tool means just we are setting an environment. How we are setting an environment means observe it here. Yes. Set. Observe it here. Set here. Set is a command space. Line size or line more than 80. That is 100,000, 10,000, anything. Semicolon. Press enter key. Then select the star from table name. Properly displayed or not? Yes. Compared to previous case, now it will display properly or not? Again, another problem is there. I will tell you. But it displayed properly or not? Yeah, visibility is also most powerful. Write it. Example, select star from EMP, semicolon, write it. Example, select the star from EMP, semicolon. Write it. In SQL plus tool, faster it. These are settings now. In SQL plus tool, because connect step we are starting yesterday. Okay, yeah. In SQL plus tool, by default, all are writing example select star from EMP semicolon. Okay, yeah. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum 80 bytes. In our table, any line having more than 80 bytes. In our table, any line having more than 80 bytes. In our table, any line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. in our table in a line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. Then the table does not display properly. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using following syntax. Syntax. Go to SQL prompt, set line size in a number semicolon. Or go to SQL prompt, set line in a number semicolon. Set a line size in a number semicolon or set line in a number semicolon. Set a line size in a number semicolon or set a line in a number semicolon. Now, example rate. Here 100 I am giving now. Yeah. Maybe your own wish. More than 80. Anything. Set space line space 100 semicolon. Okay. Now another problem is there. Just observe it here. Concentrate here. Complete this one. Yeah. Now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose in this table, employee number is a column. Okay, generally. Okay, yeah. Some rows are there. These are called rows data. But again, column name, employee number repeated. What is this one? Suppose E name is a column, some data is displayed, and again, E column name is repeated. Again, job is a column, this data is displayed, and again, job column is repeated only. Why means the reason is there. Another problem is there in SQL plus tool side. What is that problem means? Observe it here. Concentrate here. In SQL plus tool, each page, this is called page. Each page having a what? Maximum 14 lines. Not only rows, including headings and lines, dotted lines. These are all maximum 14 lines. Maybe why they are giving 14, we don't know. Again, more than 14 rows are there in our table, then automatically that will be treated as a maybe new page. That's why column names are repeated. To overcome that problem, I don't want like this means just we are using a what? Page size environment variable in SQL plus tool side. Set page size here in a number, either 1000, either 2000, either 3000, because 3000 lines after. 1000 means 1000 lines after. 50 means 50 lines after. Okay, like this only I want to repeat only. That's why here maybe in our class tables more than 50, those all the things are not there. That's why here, yes. Now this EMP table also same like a DEPT small table. So this table also, big table also properly displayed or not? Yes. Now here, write it. In SQL plus tool, again another problem, write it. Espera. In SQL plus tool, by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. In SQL plus tool, by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. Then automatically column names are repeated in a table. To overcome this problem, then we must set. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. Syntax, go to SQL prompt, set page size space in a number semicolon. Set space page size space in a number semicolon. Set page size in a number semicolon. Now this one, write it. Example. Just I am giving a what 50 is a number. You are giving any number also possible. Set page size 50. Select star from table name like this. Just observe it here. Here properly it will display the what this table. Completed. Complete this one. Now check it out. Observe it here. Anybody not adding a what yesterday class 1 minute. Observe it here. What I am telling is nothing small thing. I am telling only. Actually, Oracle is a software is there. Once we are installing a what that software, one tool is created, that is SQL plus tool, because users are wants to perform some operations in Oracle database. Means first they are connect to the where tool only. That's why connect step by default tool is SQL plus tool. I am telling. And also in that SQL plus tool, some environment problems are there. Those problems we are setting by using a set command. That's all. And now because daily we are using a what this set command only. And now that purpose, these all the things I am telling. Again, some other okay environment setting commands are there. Through that one, maybe installation you are understandable, I think. That's why then next installation process is there. Okay. That is tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. That is better. Some other small settings, and also tomorrow we are telling about installation process, because once you are installing a Oracle software, then only these tools are visible. Then only you are also operating our database very easy way. You are writing queries possible or not? Yes. Okay. Before a installation, this terminology, enterprise edition, and also these type of settings, knowledge is required. That's why up to now I am not telling about installation. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. One fellow is asking only, Dinesh, you are asking about one doubt. Please ask me.
Sir, if you have any change in Scott user,
Scott user
Sorry.
change where data or Scott username? Tell me.
User.
User we cannot change. Okay, yeah. You are creating our own user possible. You are changing a what password possible, but we cannot change a what a user is not possible. Okay, in that user password you are changing. You are creating new user possible. Okay, suppose here I am creating a what my own users. Okay, so now here like this, your own user you are creating morally A1 these type of users I am creating. Okay, yeah. In a future you are also creating users. Now this password not visible. This password I want to change means alter username identified by new password possible. Okay, yeah. Dropping user is possible. Drop user username cascade. I will tell you how can I what is that one of these days. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.